It's been a long time since I got a haircut.
Yeah, I see that.
Hey guys, my name is Jericho, and this is our good friend Basilio. Now Basilio is usually behind the camera, but today we switched roles a bit, and Basilio is in the chair getting a haircut. Our friend Jason here is going to be giving him a side-swept undercut with a tapered fade. And there we have it. Thank you to our amazing barber. Basilio is killing it with an awesome new hairstyle.